this video I'm going to show you how to fold this star with a tail. It's a sculpture that can stand up. It uses the two colors of the front and the back side of the paper. It's best to wet fold it. It's a 5-pointed star. I have thought of a 6-pointed star, which would also work, but I think it's just too complicated to fold this. This has a rather simple method, but it's not very exact. You will not get 5 mathematical identical points in the star, but this is not the intention of this model. For demonstration I just use normal copy paper, which has the same color on both sides. This was folded from a square, so the part below here is not very tall. So for this demonstration I will use an A4 paper, and you just decide how big the star will be by the first fold. You just fold maybe something like that. You fold this over, and then you make a diagonal crease here. Just fold this edge on this edge. And then start in this point and fold some part of the paper back so that these two parts have the same length about. And then you open it and make an inside reverse fold and another reverse fold. Like so. And now make a fold at about you see there's a sort of a symmetry here. When you fold from this point to here, make a crease, and then fold back something like that. And now, well, about this length. It can be that you have to fold back some part of this here, and maybe even some part here. You have to try. Now this layer will be folded over like so. The reason is that you don't have an extra layer here on this point of the star. See? And this part here has to be folded over. So make sort of a swivel fold or whatever is good to hide this point. And then think of a line between these 2 points. First fold over just a bit here. There is a layer underneath. You will feel it. You can fold along this and just fold to here. Make a mountain fold. And then make another mountain fold here. Like so. Only crease to here. And then now you have to imagine how the star should look. You see? Here you have the 5 points. So you make 2 more mountain folds, one here and one here. Just pinch. And then start another pinch mountain fold here and just form a nice curve. Maybe something like that. Yeah. So now make a mountain fold that starts here and has also a little curve like so. Yeah, you take your middle finger from behind and then you can pinch this fold like so. Okay, and now do the same thing here, and for this fold you can fold both layers of the paper. Just imagine this line for this mountain fold. It goes to this point, but you stop here in the paper. You see? So there is a little fold here. It's a valley fold, like here as well. But this must not be a strong fold. It's just something that occurs naturally. And then make sort of a valley fold here and here, just to follow these curves. Again, here you can use both layers. Make the curves a bit different from this one in the middle. This makes the star look a bit more interesting. something like that. Here in the end, just form two more curves to end this star tail. No. Okay, something like that. And now just open this mountain fold by pressing with the thumb and let it end somewhere here. And follow the tension of the paper and make this a nice curve here. The paper is very weak and you should definitely wet fold it from thicker paper. So you can fold this once more like that. You can make a mountain, you can create a mountain fold here and fold this back. Don't know, but this is optional. You can leave it like I showed you before. Improvise and follow the tension here. So this curve does not need to be very strong. It just makes the paper round so that you can that it can stand like so. And of course, curved folds give some stability in the paper. So that's how it looks. You can improvise and make some curve as well here. Or maybe not too much, just like that. Yeah. So I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed this model and have fun folding and improvising with this Christmas star. You can put this above a nativity scene, for example. Put some cradle here. So, something like that. Okay, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.